So we got arrived. Big house, nice spot. But do we need to take the vino with us is the question. Oh, handmade. Oh, dit zijn echt de potten wat ze bakken gewoon.
That's a lot of work.
Voilà. Kijk, aqui. They create the pots with the construction material which they have behind it. And I think they bake the pot.
Thank you.
We just
Ve cómo se hace. Espérate un momentito, ¿vale? Un momentito.
this was an old oven, as you can see. I think they used to put the pots inside of the oven.
I think it's not often to make. I think the sun makes it hot.
This is for your plants. A lot of different. So this is where they bake the pots. After they bake the pots, they will I think they will coat them, or they will leave the option for the people to actually coat them themselves, or they make them on order, I guess. So there's some clients buying some pots, taking it with the car. So he's gonna show us how the pots are being made, I think. Wow. But just look at the store. He's even got a small rabbit. So he's he just made these, and these are drying before he puts them outside. I think these ones will big content now. Look at the skills. Wow. Primo.
Oh, very nice. With you.
Ah. So that's how fast he makes one of these pots. With pure clay, water and clay. And it's really cool. Look at the thing. Look at it changing the format.
Wow.
Esto va encima de esto y queda como ese. De aquí, está aquí.
Sí,
sale
aquí,
como ese.
por aquí.
Ahí encima.
And then he uses a rope to cut it off. That's how fast he makes them. One more. He already made 2 or 3 of them. Look how fast it goes. Perfectamente, ¿no?
Perfecto, all the same.
¿Cuántos años aquí?
Desde pequeñito.
¿Este cuánto?
Desde pequeño.
¿Pequeño? ¿Y tú años aquí?
La cuarta generación.
¿Ahora aquí años?
Yo, aquí la cuarta generación. No sé.
So he says he's been doing this for since he was a little kid, and he's been 43 now. Todo es tu padre aquí? Sí.
Mi abuelo.
So his father has been running this store since he was small. He's been taking the craft on from his father.
Volgens mij gaat hij zo meteen wat laten zien. Want kijk, deze zie ik ook verder mee.
Okay.
Let op. Wauw, good craftsman.
And then he has his support. I think it's his wife. Is your mujeres?
Mi mujer, sí.
So it's his wife helping him giving him new water. And then he uses a stick to measure the width. So now he's gonna take the big one, and then he's gonna, I think, rework it or something. He's gonna make it more flat.
Check though.
Oh, that's from on the top. Wow. Wow. Look how good it fits. Nice. He first creates the bottom part, this one.
Igual que
See, he threw us see, and then he puts this one up, which he shapes by his hand, and then he merges them together into one.
Oh, goed man. Kijk dan. Hij is er bijna.
Amigo, gracias. ¿Qué es este adreso aquí?
Dime,
Adres? Aquí? Aquí no nombre calle?
Juan Sebastián, calle Luis Collado.
So if you want to buy one of these spots and you live in Spain or you want to buy a souvenir, amigo, gracias por todo.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Okay, so if you're looking for something,
Craftsman.
you muy professional, no?
Professional.
Gracias, amigo.
This very nice also this.
Wow, look at him. He even makes. This is something I need for my change, so I can put it in, but I cannot get it out.
You can watch.
Amigo, gracias.
We like the locale.
Gracias.
Gracias, muchas gracias.
Hasta luego. So that was really nice. We just found this location. We first found some wine. It's really, what a nice story. If you're looking for an original, authentic Spanish souvenir, this is the place to find it. I will film the street. I will put the location as well in the video. Hasta luego! And the Spanish people are so nice. Look at how beautiful these things are. And this is the clay he makes it from. Wow. Alright guys, let's continue the tour. This was really fun to watch. So his store, if you cannot find it, it's next to the Supermercados de Confianza, Mercadona. I will find the address. Let me show you the address on the Google Maps.